try it again a little bit faster. Now let's try it even faster. Hey guys, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Also, I asked you to visit my website. This is the area where you can find out more about lessons I teach online. I have a few openings, so if you think this would be a good fit, an online lesson format would work for you, let's get connected. Let's discuss how I can help you learn. Thank you and have a wonderful day.